Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from EDA Cafe. I'm here with Vincent Thibault, co-founder and VP of Strategic Planning at Magillem. Hello, Vincent.
Hello, Sanjay.
Well, thank you very much for coming over here. How's the show been going for you?
Well, very, very well, and thank you very much for receiving us today.
Okay, so tell us what is Magilem's mission?
So the main mission of Magillem is to actually help high added value companies to leverage their internal knowledge and build up on top of this to build a referential, maximizing the reuse, and I would say gain the expertise from people inside the company.
Okay, and so tell us about the new products that Magillem announced at DAC.
So this year at DAC, we're announcing three new products. One is an extension or revamp, I would say, to an old product, which was ESL assembly capability, so TLM workthrough, which we have a new version coming out called MVP for Magillem Virtual Prototypes. We are also introducing a new tool in the overall design chain, targeting the architect in order to embed the architect into the full design chain around the IP-exact standards, which is called MAI, which stands for Magillem Architectural Intent. And finally, we're introducing a tool called Crystal Bulb, which is around data management, but with a very specific focus on design around IP-exact, where we can actually dive deeper into the content of your designs rather than only focusing on a file level based approach.
And what makes these products unique and differentiated?
So a few things make them unique. Obviously, the one on the virtual prototype is very leading edge technologies around System C and IP-exact. Crystal Bulb has a unique perception of the data management because of this capability to go inside the data and not only at the file level, so creating very easy dashboarding, reporting, review meetings, etc. And finally, MAI is a kind of game changer for the architects. Until now, they used to draw image that will then go to the design, but there was a break in the bridge between those two teams, and they can now edit it like if it was a drawing tool, but actually capturing in a direct design format, which is IP-exact, which basically makes the link between architect and design team much more smooth and reuse much more content, which is more and more done at the architectural level than on the actual refinement of the design.
Okay, and how is Magillem going to become a major player in the embedded systems industry?
So that's actually something really, really interesting. The fact that we apply a methodology which is based on the semantic metadata models means that all the applications we've developed for the system on chip are actually reusable and applicable in the system, embedded system company domain. Something really interesting and that people often forget is that a system on chip is before all a system, and it's actually one of the most complex systems you can find. So all the methodology we developed and benchmark on the system on chip is directly reapplicable for the system company, which are really demanding those kind of technology at this time.
Okay, and you organized two conferences here at DAC. Can you tell us about them?
Yeah, so we had a conference around traceability. So that's not a tool because it's something which is more on the background of it. But after a few years working with companies, especially in the automotive industry, aerospace industry, the need for a very good traceability solution came out. So we presented our findouts and what we are going to do in the next years in order to enable a true product traceability for SoC. That was one of the main conference, and the second one around this Crystal Bulb tool I was mentioning to introduce a new way of handling data for SoC management.
Okay, now what is the best way for people to find out more about Magillem on the internet?
So one of the best solutions obviously is to go on the Magillem website. You can find most of the information you want there, and you can also register if you want access to more prime content like some dedicated video, customer testimonial, and obviously at some point the best is to contact us so we can discuss face-to-face or through WebEx solution to have a more open discussion of what we're doing.
Okay. Check out magillem.com for a lot more information about Magellem's products. Thank you very much, Vincent, for coming over here to talk to us. Have a great show.
Thanks very much for the pleasure.
Okay. Thank you. This is Sanjay Gangal from EDA Cafe.